how to connect Lovable to GitHub. Want to sync your Lovable projects with GitHub for version control and collaboration? Let's set it up in minutes. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and open Lovable AI into your browser. Now make sure that you are signed in into your Lovable AI account. Now in here, head over into the All Projects tab, and then in here you'll be able to find all of the projects that you have created on Lovable AI. Open a project, and then in here, go ahead and click on this GitHub icon at the top right. So this will allow you to sync your current Lovable AI project to your GitHub account. So you'll find this Connect GitHub button. So click on this, and this will allow you to connect your GitHub account to your Lovable AI account. So you just need to click on this connect button, and this will redirect you into a new tab where you'll need to sign into your GitHub account, and then you need to authorize the connection between GitHub and Lovable AI. Now, after that, you can go ahead and connect your project to your GitHub account. So once you click on this, you just need to select the current GitHub account connected, and then click on this transfer anyway button, and this will allow you to create a new project on your GitHub account named after this Lovable AI application. And that is how you can basically connect your Lovable account to GitHub.